Project Manager can update state of project easily by using following steps. Project will generate timesheets for every resources in task, then resource will give information about actual completed tasks, and construction project will collect all data and update everything in project. First of all, we need to open the path where timesheets for assigned resources will be created. Path can be found in CP Tools Settings menu. There you should choose Cloud Folder Workflow, and in right tab you can see Path to Root Folder. You can choose any folder, including cloud folders. And now we can open X-Forms Designer on the same tab. Then you should choose Get Actuals in New Window. Click on Edit button to check time phase data and set it whenever you want. For example, we can choose period from start to finish, but in industrial scale it's better to use open period. You can read about open period and additional settings in construction project documentation. Click Publish button to proceed. In chosen folder you will see new timesheets created in Microsoft Excel format. After this, employee can view timesheet that was created exclusively and fill actual amount of resources or work completed. This helps to gain information about actual amount of work done and resources used, and even see when it was used. Employees can also correct remaining amount of work or resources in this timesheet. Then user saves changes made in Excel file. Now manager can view this changes in EX Form Manager, and of course he can even pinpoint every timesheet loaded for every resource. He can choose which one will be added to project by ticking boxes on the left side of New Window and then pressing Load Selected button. Everything will be updated after chosen timesheets are loaded. This can be seen by checking Work and Actual Work window. By this method you can collect information for advanced tasks used in construction project. Thank you for using construction project.